Hey, my Vaquero kids. So today we're talking about expanded notation with decimals. Yesterday we went over expanded notation. Today we are looking at the decimals as well. Okay, so if we look at this number, you can notice that we have a decimal here. So let's talk a little bit about place value, okay? And I'm going to change the color of my ink so that you can see this. And we know that this is the ones place, tens, hundreds, and I'm going to abbreviate, and then we have the thousands. Okay, so over here to the right of the decimal, we have the tenths, hundredths, and I'm just going to abbreviate, and the thousandths, and they end with th. Unlike the ones that are on the left that are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The ones on the right are tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Okay, now what that means, and I know that you guys remember this from last year, so I'm going to write it below. The ones is obviously the one place, the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousand place. Now, the digits that are on the right of the decimal in the tenth means tenth, and hundredth means hundredth, and then the thousandths is represented 1,000ths. Okay, so this is how we represent the decimals. So now back to our expanded notation. If I was to write this out in expanded notation, so of course I'm going to begin with my 7,000. So here we go. 7 times 1,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus my 2 times 1. Now we're getting into the decimals. Plus 8 times 1/10 plus 6 times 1/100th. And then we're going to go to the bottom for the last one. And 1 times 1/1000th. Okay, so that's how we would write the expanded notation with decimals. Does this make sense? I hope this makes sense. If you are still having trouble with expanded notation, please message me in the comments.